Yeah, hi, John. It's Mark at FMAV. Right, okay. Good news. Basically, I've changed your part. So basically, what it was is if you look, I don't know whether you can see on this camera, but you can see here these two wires. This like cable that goes to there. I'm just trying to see if I can get you to see it, but there's a break on them two wires right there. You can see that, but there's just a break there, and basically what happens as soon as you open these units up, unless you know what you're doing, these just tear. I mean, they've only got to tear one track, and it's totally stuffed. You can't really repair them. But anyway, I've put that on for you, and obviously I've done your laser for you, and yeah, I've given it a good clean. And you know, in all honesty, you shouldn't get any issues with this because it's in pretty good shape, this unit, to be honest with you. So let me just power it up and we'll get you some music going. Let me just turn that up for you. You can hear that coming out. Can you hear that? I'm using headphones on my jig. Oh, you can hear that now. So I've had it on for several hours, well, about an hour and a half I've had it on for, and I've tried a couple of CDs in there, and you know, it's working fine without any errors. So hopefully that will go out for you tomorrow. You've got obviously 6-month warranty on the parts that I've put in there for you. You know, in all honesty, you shouldn't have any issues. It's in, like I say, it's in reasonably good condition, so I think you've got a bloody bargain, to be honest with you. So you're good to go. Thank you very much, John, for your business, and I do appreciate it, and hopefully this makes you happy. Thank you ever so much, and really appreciate it, and you know, take care, look after yourself. Thank you very much.